Hello guys, for today's video we're out once again for SB19. Oh my god, SB19 made history, and this is SB19 Gento live at Lollapalooza 2026 at Chicago. This is just a fan comedy. I hope you understand the quality of the video and the quality of the audio, and I'm just excited for this one. And syempre, rinig na rinig natin yung fans ng scream, ng sigawan ng mga Pinoy. I know maraming mga Pinoy nanood dito sa Chicago kasi kahit saan ka pumunta, maraming mga Pinoy. And this is our king of P-pop in the Philippines, SB19. They're composed of 5 members. Can't wait to see this. Can't wait to share this one. I hope you enjoy. And if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you continue to support SB19. I know we will do. We will do. Aiden, let's get it. Let's go. Tingnan niyo, maraming mga vlog. Oh my god, nakaka-amaze. Nakaka-amaze. Nandito pa ako ngayon sa Santorini, here in Europe, in Greece. Nilalamig ako. Sadya na po. Yung kumot ko, sobrang lamig po kasi. Sobrang aga pa po dito. Madaling araw pa. Let's go.
Come on, represent. If you know the song, I'm pretty proud. Sing with us. This is what I'm about to take over. Oh yeah. I want some, I get some, I later. I woke up, I'm back to potato. Got carbs, shit me from major, but I still need not mediocre. Tell me what you see, I don't see, but the reflection is really. I'm gonna be that, but nothing on my reality. You don't see, model me, ew. I feel it. Yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Shower, need to know for the power. It's a sour, but I hate it for ya.
Nakaka-proud lang na SB19 nakapag-perform dito sa Lollapalooza 2026. Grabe, and alam kong mga Pinoy sobrang proud, and maraming ang reviewing yung parang nanonood sa iba't ibang bansa, lugar ng Pilipinas. Grabe, nakita ko sa social media, sa Facebook. Siyempre, nandito pa ako sa Europe. Nakikita ko lang, siyempre, updated tayo as aided, as a fan, as a supporter ng kababayan natin ng SB19. They deserve, composed of 5 members. SB19 Stel, SB19 Josh, SB19 Pablo, SB19 Justin, and SB19 Ken. Who's your bias, guys? My bias is secret. Yeah, nasa SB19 for sure. For me, ang ganda ng ng audio kaysa sa Weverse live, sa mga nakikita ko mga live, ang papangit ng mga audio, guys. Thank you so much, Touchy Reactions, for this. Kami na wala sa Chicago. Thank you so much for this, the efforts to to film them. Yes, thank you so much, guys. Fan cam, sobrang ganda, sobrang ganda. Thank you po, sir.
Lumunok ng bato, hindi siya na to. Aandar ang makina ko, kahihiyanin ko. Kaya ko, nanamuni-muni ko. Daming pinagdaan, nagbago ng story ko. Show so much, so lilit kong malig na rito. Sa madali, kami ko pa hindi. Sa iyo pa ko pag-ibig, kiranan ko. Di ba listo, lagi na listo. Kahit pa sila visto, di ko pag-visto, na-visto.
Ken, bias ng dalawang niece ko, dalawang pamangkin kong babae. Sobrang bias nila si Ken at si Justin. Yeah. At yung mga kasama ko din, si Stel, si Josh, at si Pablo. Grabe. Rinig mo yung live vocals talaga, no? Grabe. Grabe. Siyempre, Mike is home. Filipino tayo, guys. They are Filipino. We are the best, one of the best singers of all over the world. We're the land of the best singers. And we're so proud of that.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! 1, 2, 3, sing! Halukain mo na parang gento. Huwag kang iito sa ordinaryo. Yan kasi gawin sa mga ito. Sing that to us now!
Siyempre, makikigento din ako sa Europe. Let's go.
Lollapalooza, what is up? Make some
So proud of you, SB19. So proud of you at ating mga kabayan. I know they're grabbing ang support. Grabe. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you.